Hello MPA 560, this is Mike Nolan and this is my video introduction. So this is my family. My family and I currently live in the city of Rancho Santa Margarita. We've been out here for about a year. We moved from the city of La Quinta, which is in Riverside County in the Coachella Valley. Something that we enjoy doing as a family is obviously outings and getting my son out of the house and having fun. A big part of that is going to watch the LA Kings play at Staples Center. Also attending church regularly at Holy Trinity Catholic Church in nearby Ladera Ranch. Another major aspect of my life that makes me me is being a student here at CBU. I'm in the final chapter of my career here at CBU and scheduled to be graduating in December. So currently I'm working for the city of Santa Ana, where I am a police officer. I've been a police officer for the city of Santa Ana for approximately 1 year. Prior to that, I was a police officer for the city of Banning, which is in Riverside County. I spent just over 12 years for working for the city of Banning as a police officer and made the decision about this time last year to move to Orange County and begin the next chapter in my career with the Santa Ana Police Department. So my family and I have done a decent amount of traveling. It's slowed down a little bit since my son, and now that he's getting a little bit older, he's 2.5 now, we've been able to pick it up and do a little bit more traveling. Some of the places that we've enjoyed outside the country are Jamaica, Punta Cana, Cabo San Lucas, Cancun, and then we've done a decent amount of traveling inside the U.S. and the photographs that you have there of my family, that was from our most recent trip to New York, which is probably one of our favorite places to go. Outside of the country, I think our favorite place to go would probably be Cabo San Lucas. As a family, I think we all collectively enjoyed that the most. I've never lived outside the country. My stints outside the country have just been for little week trips here and there at a time. Some places that I have not visited that I would like to visit outside the country, Italy, Rome, Costa Rica, and definitely Ireland is a bucket list that my family and I would like to do soon. I do not have any experience in program evaluation, research methods, or statistics, which makes me a little nervous going into this class, but I know that with you guys and our instructor and the resources available, that by the end of this class I will have some experience in program evaluation, so I look forward to that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I look forward to watching your presentations as well.